If you are using WhatsApp or you plan to use WhatsApp and you need to stay safe, welcome to the channel. There are some important settings you need to enable before using WhatsApp so that you can stay safe. Most people never check these settings, which can leave their account vulnerable to hackers, scammers, or unwanted people accessing their information. I decided to prepare this video for you so that to teach you some of these important settings you must enable right now. So watch this video until the end, because every step is very important. Now, let's get started. 1. Enable two-step verification. This is important when you are using WhatsApp so that anyone cannot enter to your account, even if he or she knows your password and username. Now, to enable it, open WhatsApp on your device, tap the 3 dots in the top right corner here above, and here you will select Settings. Tap Account in Settings list. Select two-step verification so that you can enable it. You will tap Enable. Create a 6-digit PIN and make sure that you are not supposed to share them with anyone. Add your email address for recovery. This will help you to recover your WhatsApp account if you will forget your PIN. This extra PIN helps protect your account, even if someone gets access to your phone number.
2. Check your linked devices. Sometimes people forget to check where their WhatsApp account is logged in. Sometimes someone can link your device and access for some of your informations and chattings. This can result in security and privacy violation. Now, to check, open WhatsApp on your Android. Go to Settings, tap Linked Devices to check all devices where you've logged in. Here, you'll see all devices connected to your account. If you see a device you don't recognize, tap it and select Log Out immediately. 3. Hide your last seen and online status. Sometimes it's not necessarily for everyone to know when you're online. You need to hide your last seen and online status. To change this, open Settings on your WhatsApp account. Tap Privacy on Settings list. Select Last Seen and Online to set them. For better privacy, it's better to do this. For Last Seen, choose Nobody or My Contacts. And for Online, choose Same as Last Seen. This prevents strangers from tracking your activity because they don't know when you stay online.
4. Control who can see your profile photo. Your profile photo may reveal personal information, and you do not need to allow it to be seen by anyone. You need to select only some to see it. Now, to change it, go to Settings on your WhatsApp account, then here look for Privacy. Next, choose Profile Photo. Choose My Contacts or My Contacts Except. Avoid using everyone unless necessary. 5. Limit who can add you to groups. Don't allow anyone to add you to any WhatsApp groups you are not recognized. To prevent this, open Settings on your WhatsApp, look and choose Privacy. Then choose Groups. Choose My Contacts or My Contacts Except. This gives you more control over who can add you to group chats. 6. Enable Screen Lock. Adding an extra lock to WhatsApp increases security and maintain your privacy. To enable this, go to Settings, look for Privacy, scroll down to App Lock and choose it. Depending on your device, you can use fingerprint if you like using it, face recognition, also you can use it for privacy, passcode, where you will set for some codes to use. Now, even if someone unlocks your phone, they'll still need another authentication method to open WhatsApp.
7. Turn on security notifications. Security notifications alert you when a contact's encryption key changes. To enable, open WhatsApp Settings on your Android. Check for Privacy, search for Advanced, then choose it. Turn on security notifications to be notified once any security will be changed. This helps you verify that your chats remain protected with end-to-end encryption. 8. Review your status privacy. Not everyone should see your status updates. You need to select only few members to review your status update. Allow all users only when necessary. To change it, open Settings for your WhatsApp, and choose Privacy. Then next, check for status. Choose My Contacts. Here, you will only allow your contact to review. My Contacts Accept. You will choose some of your contacts and exclude some of them. Only Share With. You will choose who can review your status. This allows you to decide exactly who can view your status. 9. Disable media visibility. Downloaded photos and videos automatically appearing in your gallery can create privacy issues. To disable, open Settings for WhatsApp. Now check for chats. Turn off media visibility. Now, WhatsApp media won't automatically appear in your phone gallery until you will decide to save them in your phone gallery.
10. Enable disappearing messages. For sensitive conversations, disappearing messages can be useful. To enable, open a chat on Settings list. Tap the contact's name. Select Disappearing Messages. Choose 24 hours, 7 days, or 90 days. Messages will automatically disappear after the selected period. This can maintain your privacy. Those are 10 important WhatsApp settings that can significantly improve your privacy and security. There are some of important settings for your Android which are available in this channel. Now, don't plan to miss them. Just continue watching more videos from this channel to stay tuned safe when using your device. Take a few minutes to enable them today and keep your account safer from hackers, scammers, and unwanted access. And I need you to comment below to tell me, did you enable all of these settings on your device? If yes, tell me, and if no, also tell me. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.